Hello everyone, Danny here from Into Fly Fishing, and I'm here today to review the brand new Moonshine Rod Company 3/4 weight Creede reel. This is a brand new design from Moonshine, and I'm really excited to let you know my thoughts. I hope these help. Now, when you receive the Moonshine Rod Company Creede reel, it'll come in this box, and within the box you'll obviously have the reel, but it also comes with a really high quality reel case. This isn't one of those cases that's just cloth and a couple drawstrings. You can seal it with Velcro, and it's really padded on the inside, so you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged in the midst of travel or when you're walking through maybe some backcountry. You don't have to worry about anything getting damaged if you keep it within this case. And the final things that come in the box when you receive these reels are instructions on how to change the retrieve on this reel. It is a left-hand retrieve at the moment, but you can change it to a right-hand retrieve if need be. And the last thing that you'll get is one of the Moonshine Rod Company stickers as well. So nice packaging, simple, has everything that you might need. So the 3/4 weight Creede reel from Moonshine is a fully machined large arbor reel made in Korea out of 6061 forged aluminum, which is stronger than bar stock. And this reel weighs 3.18 ounces and can hold about 140 yards of line. So most backing you purchase will come in 100 yards, and most fly lines you purchase will be about 30 yards. So you'll have plenty of room for all of your line that you might need, including leader and tippet. And the drag system on this reel is fully sealed carbon fiber. Now, saltwater reel drag systems are also fully sealed carbon fiber, but this system is made to be used on fresh water. So make sure you are using it in fresh water, doing the proper maintenance and cleaning, and this reel is going to last you a long time. So this 3/4 weight Creede reel gave me more confidence as soon as I hit the water. I'm a finesse angler at heart, so I get a lot of use out of my 3/4 weight equipment, and I was really excited to see how this reel worked. Now, the first thing I noticed on the reel was the drag system, and the drag system here is operated by this knob on the back side of the reel, and to loosen it, you just turn it this way. To tighten it, you just go back the other way. And now you can get this thing close to fully pinned here, and you'll see how much tension it puts on that line. So if you're fighting one of those large fish that are gonna dog you and you tighten that drag, they are gonna tire themselves out quickly, and you don't have to worry about the drag getting stuck and the fish breaking off. It's still smooth even when it's pinned that tight. And then the next thing I obviously tried was the retrieval and the stripping systems. Now, I like to keep a lot of fly line out when I'm fishing. I strip a lot out, and then I can make any cast any distance that I need. And when I strip my line out, I like to do it quickly so I can get going as fast as I need to. If I see a rise or if I see a fish, I can get my line out and I can go. So again, first thing I did was just try and strip as much line out as I could quickly. And as you can tell, it's a really smooth feel to it all. It doesn't hitch, it doesn't make too much noise. It's just a nice smooth feel. Then the retrieve is the same. I pick up and go to the next spot pretty quickly, so I need to make sure my line's gonna recover nicely and retrieve nicely, and it piles up nicely on top of each other. It's got a nice smooth feel to it, and again, I didn't have to worry about how this reel was going to perform at all while I was on the water. I was more worried about my own fishing ability, but again, that's a different story. And the last thing that I really appreciated about this reel here was the handle. So the handle on it is actually made of material that gets more grippy as it gets wet. So if you've just released a fish, or if it's raining, You don't have to worry about your fingers slipping off or anything like that. It'll stay on there nice and easy, and you can retrieve and not have a care in the world about how your reel is going to perform. So let's talk price. This Moonshine Rod Company Creede reel will cost you $259. Now, in the world of performance fly reels, this is really quite affordable. A lot of the companies that we're all aware of will charge $300, $400, $500 for some of their high performance reels. And Moonshine's only charging $260 for theirs. And that's a steal for this reel. High performance reels are scrutinized a lot. They're really have a lot of pressure put on them to perform, and they're expected to perform. And Moonshine believes in their product, but they also make it affordable for the everyday angler that can't afford to drop $500 on a brand new reel. So they make those high performance reels available for half the price. And Moonshine's actually found a nice niche right about that level when it comes to high performance equipment. Their highest performance rods are only $450. High performance reels, $250. Again, that's about half the price of what you'd find from a lot of other companies. So that right there is a strong selling point for this reel. So the aesthetic of this reel, I really like this design. Now, if you remember my Moonshine Rod Company Vesper series review, you'll remember how much I liked the reel seat design on it. It was that nice tobacco tiger looking design, and with the reels, I think Moonshine Rod Company kept it simple so their rods could do the talking. Now, it's not a bleak, boring design by any means, but it's not elaborate like a lot of other companies have it. They make their brand known, their presence known on it, but again, it's just a nice, sleek design. And you can purchase these reels in either silver and black or copper and black. My 5.6 Moonshine Creede reel is in silver, and this 3/4 weight is in copper. And if I'm honest, I think I like the copper a lot more. It's just a little added flair to it, and it looks really nice on the rod. So the copper has my vote, but again, you have the option between silver as well as copper. Overall, I think the Moonshine Rod Company 3/4 weight Creede reel is a great option. For anyone looking to enter into the high performance fishing equipment world, but doesn't want to drop a $1,000 on a new reel, this is a great option. It's from a smaller company that pours a lot into their products and has time to pour a lot into their products. So you can rest assured that this reel is going to perform exactly how you need it to, and if it doesn't, they'll be sure to take care of you and help you out and do whatever they can to make sure you have the best fly fishing experience possible. It's a reel that not a lot can go wrong on. It has all the necessary features, but it's not over the top by any means. It's not too flashy. It's going to perform exactly how you need, and for me, it was a no-brainer to keep using this on my 3/4 weight setup. So I really hope this review helped you guys out, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.